Hi, everyone. Today we have an easy story to help you practice English. Let's begin. It was a cold winter morning. Emma stood at the train station waiting for her train. She was nervous. Today was her first day at a new job in the city. While waiting, a man next to her dropped his book. Emma picked it up and gave it back with a smile. He looked surprised, then smiled too. "My name is Leo," he said. They talked until the train arrived. When they got off, they said goodbye, but both were smiling. The next morning, Emma saw Leo again on the same train. They laughed. "We meet again," Leo said. Each day they talked more. They learned about each other's lives, dreams, and favorite songs. One Friday, they had coffee together at a small cafe near the station. It became their weekly habit. Emma looked forward to seeing Leo every morning and every Friday. One day, Leo looked different, quiet and serious. At the cafe, he held her hand gently. "I have to leave next month," he said. "My father is sick. I need to take care of him in another country." Emma's smile disappeared. Her heart hurt, but she said softly, "Family comes first." They sat in silence. The cafe felt quiet. Even the music had stopped. The morning of his flight, they met one last time at the train station. It was early. The sun had just risen. Leo gave Emma a letter and said, "Please open this later." Emma gave him a photo of them smiling at the cafe. He looked at it, smiled, and said, "Thank you for everything." They hugged tightly. Then the train doors closed, and Leo was gone. Emma stood still, holding the letter. Years later, Emma walked past that same train station. She had a new job, a new life, but some memories stayed. She still had the letter from Leo. She sat on a bench and opened it again. It said, "If life were different, I would have stayed. I will never forget you." Emma closed her eyes and smiled sadly. They made the right choice, but their hearts had never let go.